So yeah, we work with a lot of tree guys. Some of them, they're my really close friends too, like Keith from Allison Tree Company, Pete from All About Trees, or Nick with Farina Tree Services. We're doing trees maybe like 6 years now. Before that, we were using grapple trucks for picking up debris and stuff like that.
To show you everyone, it's the time of the season for love.
Cutting is not a problem. The only problem is for us to put debris close enough for grapple truck to pick it up. That's gonna slow us down significantly. Other than that, you know, everything looks good so far. Yeah.
Is he rich like me?
Yeah, so that's the Breeze dog. They're coming from West Palm area. Yeah, they have a bunch of grapple trucks. They recycle this vegetation debris. They turn that into mulch. They make soil and compost and all the other good stuff. They're very connected, and they bring me good grapples for work.
Season for love.
Everybody stop talking now. Attention. I told you all that I was the greatest of all time.
Today we had the Manly Tree Service visiting us at the job site. We do work with a lot of tree guys. That's what I care about the most, you know, other tree guys and their business too. So.
I am Ron of Big Ron's Tree Service. We work for a lot of the big contractors who trust us. We did the Port of Miami Tunnel, all the removals for that. We just cleared Windsurfer Beach of 200 Australian pines last year. I literally was at my hydraulics guy's place, and his truck was there for its first checkup by this hydraulics guy. And I'm like, that's an amazing truck. I must meet the owner. The knuckle boom with the Grapple saw is just amazing. Words don't cover how happy I am with how this is working out. It's just beautiful.
These power lines, that's the scariest obstacle, and then we have mosquitoes. I don't know, something bit the shit out of me. I thought it was ants, but now I'm a little bit swollen, so who knows what could have been. I guess that's downside of living in South Florida. There is a lot of, yeah, there is a lot of tropical little insect that could, you know, bite you when you do tree work. So yeah, that's the thing.
Nisam ja tebi suđen, ovako sam sluđen, još si dijete, a ja odveć na tugu osuđen dugo. Nisu tebi mala zvijezdo, ove moje ruke gnjezdo, idi leti svome jatu, ja ću ovom starom bratu tugo. Kako je, lažem te, lako je, bez tebe oko moje nije nikako. Idi i ne plači, jer bol je najjači, od tebe daleko, u meni prejako.